Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good and staying safe out there. In today's video, I am going to be organizing and decluttering my whole kitchen. So there are cabinets that really need organizing and some that are already organized, but I will walk you through every single cabinet inside of my kitchen. I'm doing a series here on my channel where I'm going to be organizing and decluttering my whole home. If you haven't seen my latest video, I did organize my pantry, so I'll make sure to link that down below just in case you're interested. If you like organizational videos, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. I would love to have you join, and let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to walk you through some of my cabinets and just show you that some are organized, like this cabinet here. There are some things that I want to change, like the colorful cups that I have on the third shelf. I want to remove those and put them in another area because I want to keep this area all white. I am going to get rid of the Christmas little cabin because Christmas is over. This drawer I really want to declutter and clear out. My silverware drawer is pretty organized, so there's not much that I'll change there. And I do want to clean my stovetop. In this drawer I have my pots and pans. It needs a little organization. Down here is where I have all of my appliances, but they're just scattered everywhere, so I want to take all of that out, clean them, and then put them all nice and neat. Now my spice drawer is pretty organized, so we won't change much there, but down here needs a lot of work. Like I have my air fryer that should be going on the other side, and this is where I keep my Tupperware salad bowls, things like that, so definitely needs to be decluttered and cleaned. My pantry is pretty organized, so I am going to link that video down below in case you're interested. And we're actually going to start off here where I keep all of my coffee mugs because I have coffee every morning and it really bugs me just seeing like coffee mugs with no order. Like you see they're all scattered around. I have candles in here, I have honey, like it has just gone out of control because, you know, mom life kicks in and there are more important things to do, but we are starting here. So what I'm doing is I am removing everything and I'm gonna clean out the cabinets. I haven't done that in a while. And as I'm taking them out, I'm going to be separating them into categories. So I'll put my clear mugs, I'll put my husband and wife mugs in one category, candles in one category, mason jars in one category. That way I see everything and it's easier for me to put everything back in. So now I am just putting my coffee mugs back inside of my cabinets, and as you can tell, it's already looking a lot more organized, and I am just so happy that I did this because now every morning when I have my coffee, it makes my heart happy. And yeah, it's just so peaceful having everything nice and neat and organized, and I'm sure a lot of people feel the same way that I do. But yeah, we're just gonna continue to fill up the cabinets, and I did find a organizer that I wasn't using, and inside of that organizer I am putting my protein, kind of like my shake cups, and I just thought this worked perfectly. So I decided to put all of my candles in this basket. These are all of like my Christmas ones. Christmas cookies. This one is red apple wreath. This is a fall candle that I love. And then this is also a fall candle that I love. This one I think I'm actually gonna leave out whenever I'm in the mood, because this one you can use year round. It's called roasted coffee beans and it smells amazing. It smells like a coffee shop. So yeah, I'll leave that one out, and I'll put this all the way up there because I mean it'll be a whole year until I have to bring them back down. So here is the end result of this cabinet, and I am just so happy with how it turned out. Now I'm just gonna quickly clean my coffee bar area and then we'll be done with this side. Moving on to my bottom cabinets, I'm going to start off by removing everything just so I can see what's under there and putting everything on top of my countertops and island, and I'm going to be cleaning both sides. So now that I have all of my appliances out, I am just grabbing a warm washcloth and I'm going to be cleaning all of my appliances because some of them did get dusty. I don't use a lot of them frequently, so they did accumulate some dust, and then I'm going to be putting them all back inside. I did empty out my dishwasher, so here I'm just putting some dishes away and then grabbing those colorful cups from the top row. Moving on to this drawer, so in here I keep all of my daughter's supplies, so her straws, her spoons, her plates, anything like that. And it was really messy, so the before and after is super satisfying, and it's been really easy to maintain. And I feel like when you have a system and when you have things that are organized, it does make it a lot easier to keep that space maintained over time. So now I am just putting my Tupperware together, and I like to keep it as a set. Like, I like to keep the lids attached. I just find that that's easier for me whenever I have leftovers, or if I need one, I can just pull it out and not have to worry about trying to find the lid. So I found that this works best for me, and I am just putting them all back inside, all nice and organized. So here I am just keeping all of my entertainment pieces. They are on the larger side, so I found that they work best inside of this cabinet. If you haven't decluttered your kitchen cabinets and drawers, I highly suggest that you do that, especially now, starting off the new year. It just feels amazing to have a clutter-free kitchen, and a lot of us spend most of our time in the kitchen, so it's just nice to have it neat and organized, and it's a great start to the year. So next, I am going to be cleaning my stovetop. I am using the Easy Off spray. It is my favorite. It leaves my stovetop looking brand new. And I'm gonna let that sit for about 15 minutes while I work on the rest of my kitchen. So here I am just organizing this drawer, and then I am going to be cleaning the countertops, and then I'll show you guys the end result. So here is the end result of my kitchen. It is nice and clean, and I'm going to be walking you through some of my kitchen cabinets and drawers. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It did take me a few hours to do. I was able to fit it into a 15-minute video, but it did take most of my day. But yeah, if you enjoyed watching, please give this video a like. Please subscribe if you are new here. I would love to have you join. I have a lot more organizational videos coming soon, so stay tuned for those. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in a brand new video. Bye!